Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, open up Wallet. I don't think it is downloaded by default. If it's not, just go into Google Play Store, search bar, and now search up Wallet. Right, now let's install. And we can open the app. Now tap on Add Wallet in the bottom right corner, tap on Select a loyalty card, and now choose from which company you would like to add this loyalty card from. And now you can either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually simply by tapping here and then entering your member ID here. Then you just have to tap on Add Wallet, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.